Hello and welcome to SKTV News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Ibeto Tokchom. First, the headlines. United Naga Council slams notification of Land Resources Department on sale, purchase and registration of land, calls it violation of Article 371 Clause C under Indian Constitution. And Liangmai Imphal market kicks off at Kanchipur with focus on economic and emotional integration among communities. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. United Naga Council UNC have raised strong objections to a notification issued by Land Resources Department, Government of Manipur on September 18, 2025 regarding the procedure for sale, purchase and registration of land in the state. In a press release issued by UNC, it pointed out that the notification contravenes Article 371 Clause C of the Constitution of India, which safeguards the interests of tribal communities in Manipur's hill areas. In a press release, UNC stated that all scheduled matters in hill areas shall be within the purview of Hill Areas Committee as per the Hill Areas Committee Order 1972 promulgated by Dr. V.V. Giri, the then President of India. As such, traditional land holding system is still in vogue in the hill areas with the exception of few stretches of plain areas in More, Churachandpur, Chandal and Kaupum Valley under MLR and Land Reforms Act 1960. UNC further warned that enforcing the notification across the state without considering these special provisions is unconstitutional and illegal. They further cautioned that any attempt to impose a new policy without respect for tribal and land rights could trigger social upheaval and unrest. The group appealed for cancellation of the notification and urged the government to revisit the policy in line with Article 371 Clause C, ensuring protection of tribal interests. Village Authority Council VAC has strongly opposed the notification issued by Manipur Land Resources Department on September 18. In a press release issued by its chairman H. Mangchinkup and secretary Lian Moantang Valte, VAC asserted that the notification violated constitutional safeguards for tribal rights under Article 371 Clause C of the Indian Constitution, while calling the department's move as nothing short of a blatant attempt to deviously grab the rights of the tribal people over the constitutionally protected tribal hill areas of present-day Manipur. It went on to allege that the order, along with existing land laws like the Manipur Land Revenue and Reforms Act, although meant for the non-tribal valley areas, are efforts of the government to craftily extend the valley area land laws to the tribal hill areas. It added that lasting peace will not return to the soil unless these land laws are repealed or rendered non-applicable in tribal hill areas. In a step to boost economic and emotional integration among indigenous communities, a Liangmai Imphal market was organized at Manipur University Gate in Kanchipur today. The market came alive with people flocking the stores to avail various organic farm products brought by Liangmai community. Speaking in this regard, convener of Liangmai Imphal Market Committee, Nongthombam Sanajauba said the market was organized in association with local clubs to provide a market platform for indigenous communities from hill districts. He expressed confidence that such initiative will provide an opportunity to boost income of Liangmai community.
Sigumba market ama akoina hogok chaibasi mamang su market tawgi ado akoi integration ama dum leigi emotional integration dum sagatki hogik su koi emotional integration je koi adum leigani ado liamai si andak akoi gi moi kitang akoi gi kuki ga mitei gi lan sina akoi pun awabadi nangi mitei so nangi adu liangmai su kitang nangi aduna mokoi di specially akoina moida consider ma tawraga mokoi gi market se akoina Imphal da kahan bani.
On the other hand, Secretary of Kiamgai Maninglaika Youth Popular Club, Longjam Nisikanta, said the market was set up to foster bond between indigenous communities and to help each other. Meanwhile, a visitor named Moirangthem Hemanta expressed happiness on getting the opportunity to buy various fresh vegetables and other products of Liangmai community and lauded the initiative for strengthening economic and emotional integration among communities in the state.
Masih pergi tangku mengah setimbergi pergi langmai Imphal market pergi sini maruin na papungoin na pergi daki lobby tu na adugum ba langmai community ke ba adugum ba market ama open market ama pergi sini langjar bani sida pergi loki market itu kesu atau ba taudam lobby tu na mapam tu sa antan nama maya ama tu crowd si kontrol tong nama hona ba si maya am je pergi loki site lagi hong mementing bang jaga na pergi tauzina langjar sini langjar. Emotional integration hai tare ko akogi singa leiba mayam siga tampak leisiga akogi gap amakhak sum leibadong na leise masin akoi masum masi am toina tawraga de sigi gap sisu anthara kadra na khalle.
Now let's take a small break. Keep watching SKTV News.
F haina F ama nauna Manipur da launch tawjare outside da di hanadagi oina leire adubu Manipur da di ngasi dagi launch tawba haujare Karmi hariba ebeste atopa servicing amana de pick up and drop tawba servicing dagi yamna top pa tongan ba amma khagni haibagi maramdi atopa gi app ki service ti pick up and drop khag oi aduga akhoi Karmi hariba app sidadi isa na sponsor tawjabagi khudong chabasu Karmi app sida leigani Sponsor amadi Captain Kamaina oigani haibadugi akupa marolgidamak makhada hapchariba number asida pau phawbirau Karmi app asida fangiba vehicle sing adudi car, e-rickshaw, e-auto, bike asina chingbasing Karmi app asida service khudimak loina shuna fangani aduna mayamsu Karmi app asi Play Store dagi download tawshinbiro aduga iOS dagi shu adomgi number do register tawraga book tawshinbiro Gari gi khudong chadaba leibasing adu Karmi app tagi gari book tawbiraga adom gi chatningba mafam khuding makta loina matam chana chatpa soidana yargani ai sasu hojik book toksinjare chatlukige bye bye.
Welcome back. You're watching Sktv's Afternoon English News. Proscribed People Liberation Army (PLA) celebrated its 47th Raising Day at various unit department stations located within and outside Manipur. In a press note issued by Deputy Secretary Publicity Robin Kuman, it is informed that Raising Day of PLA were also observed at various divisions under Central Bureau of Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) by hoisting party flag, festoon and stars. The observance was marked by paying homage to people who have lost their life for motherland. Later, the public statement issued by acting president of RPF, M.M. Ngoba, was read out to the attendees. The press note also wished to all indigenous communities in Manipur to strive towards progress, harmony and success. Churachandpur Medical College (CMC) organized a free health camp in line with Swasth Nari Sashakta Parivar Abhiyan under the theme Women's Health and Family Well-being at Kiamgai, Imphal district. Speaking on the sidelines, CMC Dean Academic Dr. C.H. Arun Kumar stressed the importance of improving women's health and immunity in a society. He said that the health camp was organized as part of the Swasth Nari Sashakta Parivar Abhiyan campaign, which was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 11. The campaign is primarily aimed at women and specifically at pregnant women to boost their immunity and improve their health conditions. He urged women of the area to come forward and take advantage of the campaign by getting their health assessed by professionals. Additionally, free medicines were also provided besides health screening and tests.
Imong manunggi nupising maunasing amasung angangsing makoy anaba maroy na iwat pag anaba cancer gi anaba blood pressure gi anaba BP1 pag anaba amasung tuberculosis gi anaba sa isda and emphasis pigani maroy na maternal health and child health asida emphasis pigani masamu phaba tunjang kaidal daba mama amasung nupina imong manungdo empower toy haibani aduna masiki Swasth Nari Sashakta Parivar campaign ase September tang 10 tudigi hodokhaga masigi laiba October tang 2 oba chathagani masina all pumbagi oba koi self reliant on health haibasigi part ama oinabi damukta koi masamu phaba imu manuna laikai dugi masamu phalli maduna tugi masamu phalli economy fagalali amsung jati gi oina pangkalali haibadugi program da lakchagani.
District Administration Jiribam Municipal Council and CRPF organized a cleanliness drive at Jiribam Railway Station. The cleanliness drive was organized under the aegis of Jiribam DC Krishna Kumar and on the theme Ek Din, Ek Ghanta, Ek Saath. The cleanliness drive, which was organized as part of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, aims to keep Jiribam district clean through active community level participation. District administration has appealed people in Jiribam to be part of the cleanliness campaign. The first phase of the awareness campaign conducted by the Manipuri Autonomous Council Demand Coordination Committee Assam MACDCCA on the formation of Manipuri Autonomous Council concluded yesterday. The awareness campaign was carried out in 8 localities, namely Chengbil, Golifar, Wangkhalaikai, Jalampur, Khetrikun, Soibam Laikai, BT Road and Laihau Pokpi. MACDCCA Working Chairman Advocate N.G. Ramakanta, Vice Chairman Kisham Kamdev, Vice Chairman Roman Luwang, Joint Convener Okram Lakikanta, Roshan Irom, Co-Convener Dr. Raju Kumujam and Executive Members Rajesh Mangang, Apu Maitai and Ketrimayum Indra Kumar attended the campaign as resource persons. Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningsinglup, Pumanil Kangleipak expressed sorrow and condolence on the demise of its former chairman and former president of Pantuibi Sindam Sanglin Wahing Kuman, Laimapokpam Dhanajoy. Convener of Pumanil Kuraijam Dhara remembered Laimapokpam Dhananjoy as someone who has played pivotal role in restoring the truth concerning Puya Maithaba. Terming his demise as huge loss for Manipur, Pumanil also expressed solidarity to family members of late Laimapokpam Dhananjoy. Ekoam Lok Kangleipak also condoled the demise of Laimapokpam Dhananjoy, who was the chairman of Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningsinglup Pumanil, Kangleipak and president of Pantuibi Sindam Sanglin Wahing Kuman. In a press release issued by its secretary IPR Angokton Kuman, Ekoam Lok further maintained that the contribution made by Dhananjoy in the society will be remembered forever. It also extended solidarity to the bereaved family. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. United Naga Council slams notification of Land Resources Department on sale, purchase and registration of land, calls it violation of Article 371 Clause C under Indian Constitution. And Liang Mai Imphal market kicks off at Kanchipur with focus on economic and emotional integration among communities. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.